with the African continent actually having some of the highest rates when it comes to adolescent pregnancies, HIV infections and birth deaths, with 1 out of 4 women having a fatal pregnancy outcome. So we've actually created the first educational pregnancy app called My Pregnancy Journey from the African continent. Each user can personalize the app for themselves and use any of the 30 features to track their own pregnancy from week to week. So every week the app updates new information. We've got yoga videos, we've got gynae videos, we've got daily articles, we've got a dad section. We even draw our own illustrations of the growing fetus and embryo. We've got a journal that the user can document and print out as a PDF after her pregnancy. We've got a whole nutrition section that was written by a clinical nutritionist. All the content, videos and information was written and filmed by various doctors and specialists in the pregnancy industry. So I started learning about Huawei when I actually put my app onto the Huawei AppGallery.
And then we started integrating the HMS Core open capabilities. We've currently integrated the HMS Core Analytics Kit, and we're now in the process of also integrating the HMS Core in-app purchase kit. We are going to integrate many of their HMS Core open capabilities, especially when it comes to our future development plans.
If it wasn't for Huawei, it wouldn't have given us the opportunity to take our project and turn it into a business. I would definitely tell all aspiring tech entrepreneurs to enter this competition. I mean, it's taken us from where we were to a whole nother level. But through our research, we actually also realized it's not just the social aspects that's a gap in the market, but also there's no local tech platform that our local pregnant women can relate to. You know, linking hospitals, clinics, products, service providers to the users. So we are planning on creating a pregnancy digital ecosystem.
Our app doesn't just relate to African women, but also to many other countries in the world with the same societal problems. Our app is relevant, timely, cuts across continents, religion and race, and we believe that My Pregnancy Journey has the potential to make a huge societal impact.